This is our hotel.
A little bit of walking tour. I'll show you a little bit like where we are. So our hotel is on the left side and we are walking towards the sea. The sea, the ocean. Yeah. And here is Swedish hair studio. Huh? Do you have to be Swedish to cut your hair there?
Probably.
Jag kan låtsas att jag är svensk.
Ja.
Ja. Ja, det kan jag. Men jag är inte svensk, jag är norsk. I talked in Swedish now. So we just walk all the way down there. So here are the buses, bus stops, if you want to go to CM Park or CM Mall, you can come here. We don't want to go to CM Park or CM Mall, but that's because we are old and boring and I hate shopping. And I hate water parks because I don't like to swim or no. Yeah. It's many hotels here. 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 Now I see something blue over there. What is that? Yeah, it's the ocean. Do you say ocean or sea?
I don't know.
Seaman.
Yeah, it is.
Seaman. That can mean different things.
Yeah.
And in Norway, it's a very common guy name, Seaman. Hello, I'm Seaman. And another common name is Odd.
Yeah.
Maybe your name is Odd Seaman. Yeah. Here it almost looks like Beverly Hills. Huh?
It does.
It does?
Yes. Maybe not.
Like here. Beverly Hills 90210, baby. Many hotels and apartments here. And here. Oh, they have evening sun. We love our room at the hotel because we have evening sun on the balcony. We have, Lasse.
Huh?
We have evening sun.
Yeah. Balcony is facing actually this direction.
So if we will book again at Andorra, I think I will ask if we can have the same room.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Or, you know, the room beside us. Or
In that direction.
yeah. One Direction. I can see it's a lot of surfers here. And look at the waves. I'll go closer. They are surfing here. Look. He's good, Lasse. Look at him. Or her. So this is a beach club. I've never been here. It's the first time I've been here. This is cool. But why is it like, I can hear now, this is a beach club and I hear east. Why is that?
That's what makes it a club, maybe.
Oh. And I don't like clubs because I don't like east. I like rock and soul and
Music with instruments.
I like music with instruments, yes. The beach club is there. It's cactus. Huh? Look at that one, Lasse. Oh, my humor is not good. Can you sit on this one? Huh? This is cool, but you have been here before. You have been jogging here. So how much longer before the sunset you think? 1.5 maybe? I don't know what time is it. Time it is. So what time is it? So what time is it now?
16:40.
Oh. Here it would be nice to stay. So here's a little beach bar. People Beach. Another beach club, Lasse. You see why I couldn't be here? Huh? I think it's because I'm getting old. No, I've never liked that. And then if you are talking, you have to scream. Here's better. Quiet. So here's another beach. So this is La Vistas beach. So what do you say? We go one day to lie on the beach?
Yeah, you want that?
No, I'm asking you. No?
Restless to lie on the beach all day.
Yeah, me too. I just want to go and have beer and food.
Yeah.
La Vistas beach. It's a lifeguard over there. This is nice. But now we need something to drink
Yeah.
and something to eat. Yeah. So let's find a place we can watch sunset. We'll go to a Pincho again.
Yeah.
We have been there many times. Yeah.